any evidence, right? But even though we're getting all these threats and we know he's innocent, or we want to have his day in court, if it was my kid or my defendant, I'd say, this is the evidence we have. Here's the video. Here's the statements. Here's the police reports. Here's everything. So it's clearly that they want to hide behind due process. They want to obfuscate as much as they can. And calling the child an oppressor is uncalled for.
Okay.
That man should be fired.
Great. Let me ask you a question. What's his role with the family? Dominique Alexander. What's his role?
I'm not sure.
Stop right there. Stop right there. What role would present evidence?
Lawyers.
Okay. And where would the lawyers present their evidence?
In court.
Were they in court today?
No.
Okay. He's not a lawyer. He's a spokesperson for the family. Did you know that?
Yes, I knew that.
I just asked you what was his role. You said
but I didn't know. He could have been. Okay, whatever.
What do you mean, whatever? You said. And
yeah, okay. Do I know his official capacity?
Give me a second, sir. You said you did not know the role of Dominique Alexander.
He created a fictitious organization.
That's not, sir. I asked you clearly, did you know the role of Dominique Alexander? You said no. I just asked you, went down a series of questions.
And I said, if that's a slam dunk on me, then let's let that.
It's not about a slam dunk, sir. You didn't know, and I'm teaching you. Are you not open to new information?
Absolutely, but
okay then. So he's a spokesperson for the family. He would not be the one to present evidence. As he said in the press conference, the legal matters is up to the lawyers, not him. Does that make sense?
But if it was clear self-defense, like it with Kyle Rittenhouse.
Sir, again, that's not his job. That would not be
Rittenhouse case. We had video of it.
Sir, who would present the video?
And any witnesses?
Really? Yeah, I mean, that's up to them. Yeah. But his role is to speak for the family. Why would he be up there presenting evidence? First of all, it's not a court of law. And you know that when you are in any type of trouble, they tell you don't say anything.
Sure, I mean they absolutely have the right to do it, but they were clear. It's clear obfuscation to. It was just clear obfuscation, 100%.
Can you explain how they did that?
Because if he was as innocent and as self-defense as they say it is. Hey, look, guys, look at this. Look at this video where we have so many witnesses.
Do you live in America? Have you ever been in the legal system, either with a traffic ticket or anything?
Nope.
Have you ever got into an accident?
Nope.
Well, your insurance company would tell you, don't say anything if you get into an accident. Don't say anything because anything can be used against you in the court of law. Have you heard that before?
Absolutely.
Have you heard the right to remain silent?
Yes.
And when do you speak on your behalf? Legally.
But Austin spoke.
When do you speak legally on your behalf?
You can speak whenever.
When do you speak?
Whenever.
Sir.
Whenever.
Anyway, I can't talk to you because you're not.
Mr.Denali, can I make a point?
Give me a second. Let's get to Danielle because I'm asking him simple questions. But he wants to try to spin a narrative.
I don't have no narrative. Right
here. Your narrative is that he should have been.
Police report.
Sir, there's no. First of all, there we go. There is no police report. There's an affidavit, initial arrest report, but the police report is not.
The arrest report.
It's not even finished yet because it hasn't gone to the grand jury. Did you know that?
So Carmelo said stuff. You're not legal. It doesn't matter when you can say stuff whenever.
What did Carmelo say?
He said, "Is this self-defense? Is this self-defense?"
He said that to the police. Sure, the police leaked that or whatever. Whoever said, I guess it's inside the affidavit report. But that's not the police report. That is not the place for them to try the case. The case will be tried in a court of law.
But you asked me,
would you agree that Carmelo's innocent until proven guilty?
Sure.
Okay, and where is he going to prove his innocence?
Court.
Right. So why would he do it at a press conference?
That's not what I'm saying. You asked me the question of when are you
You
legally
just said that the man
No.
didn't provide any evidence. Did you
No,
not
you
say
literally
that?
just asked me. You literally just asked me when can you legally speak. I said, well, let's look at what any defendant does. If they speak in the cop car, that's used against them. If they speak,
Right.
So
Correct.
you're not. It's not. You're not instructed to speak at one time. It's not just during the trial.
I would imagine that his lawyer told him, do not say anything legally about the case. Let us speak for you. That's what happened. Okay? Over here, we have a Judge Denali TikTok court, and we tell clients all the time, do not speak until the court date because it can be used against you. Okay?
I agree.
Great. All right, good. So don't hold that against them because they didn't provide evidence. Miss Danielle, how are you?